today we are doing something crazy. So let's see, let's explore. I'm a bit nervous. I don't know I will perform or not, but I need to do it. This is the point where you seek discomfort, okay? If you are in your comfort zone, you will not do anything. Learn to overcome your fears.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया मुन्ना.
Then only you will achieve something in life. Right?
Right, bro.
So when you are doing?
Yeah, I'm gonna do, but my health is not good, so I'm not performing this task. So on behalf of my brother Nabeel will perform the task.
Yes, and you can see the view from here. So right now we made a payment for the bungee jumping, and it cost me around 4,850. And the view behind is very scary. I'm scared, and there is no turning back because I have made the payment. यहाँ बोल सकता हूँ मैं यहाँ ऐसी कुछ मारने का ऐसा मैं वीडियो मारने का वहाँ गए पर मैं नीचे देखे पर मैंने पवा कापने के पता
कैसा? देखो नको उधर जाके बिना देखे आराम से. हाँ, प्रैक्टिस इज गोइंग ऑन. यो getting ready. Best of luck. Finally, my bro has completed, so he is coming on the way. Let's talk to him. How was his experience? He has come through his fear. He got a guts. Some medal over here.
I have got
guts. Oh.
वहाँ पे और भीड़ है क्या?
तुम ऐसा लगता है तू डाइव मारा पानी के अंदर, लेकिन नहीं मार रहा, वापस आ रहा है.
वापस आ रहा
डाउन देख रहा है ना पूरा, ऐसा लगता है कि जा रहा है इससे नीचे जाने के. Done with the bungee jumping.
Yes,
and it
now
was very good experience.
I think you had fear over there. Then now
No,
you're chilling out.
I did not.
I think so. You're, but I have not yet recorded it. So
No, India. India, welcome. Yes, you can write India because I live in Dubai actually.
Dubai lives in India.
No, India.
India.
Thank you so much.
What inside? Let's see, check it out. We got some certificate like Nabeel Talikoti of India,
jump,
town, city, country, and all. Bunjee jump, height from 55 meters. Okay, congrats. You got a very good smile over his face. Yeah, man. Charming.